Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to an all new exciting video with your boy Salem from Aero Studios, and today I am going to be showing you how I edited this image. This was actually originally an outdoor maternity shoot, and we decided to basically put some background change on it, slap it, and then just give some abstract feel to it, something looking closer to a studio shoot. So I'm just going to be showing you a breakdown of how I achieved the edit, and I'm going to be showing you the final result at the end of the video. All right, so basically I just isolated the background, maxed out the subject, and also the background was already beneath so I just added up a flip image. I flipped the background image to mimic the lighting direction on the subject. All right, so this actually blends in, and then just painted in some whites just to add in some highlights to the image, just to further blend it in. All right, so next I put up some hue saturation just to make the whole image black and white and blend it in, and added some more whites, and also I just put everything up, merged into one layer, and renamed the layer. Let's just rename that okay, and head went over to do a little bit of extra color grading and all right. So you notice that on this final layer, right, made colder hues out of the image. Just add some blue tints to the black and white, kind of more like colorizing the image, right? And you see it's already giving off a very nice feel, and yeah, so this is actually where we're coming from. Where we're going to, just some dreamy feel. All right, yeah, just some tiny more details, and yeah. I'm just renaming these layers so you could actually see what they are. Yeah, so background, and yeah, this is where we started from. Just run back through again. Yeah, so this is the original image. So I just run that back one more time so you could see every step again one more time. You could actually, if you have any questions, you could let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to respond as soon as I can. All right, yeah. And if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe, and like, share as well, so more people could actually see these videos, and also pick up one or two, and also learn on the go. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.